Dum Aloo Recipe. Dum Aloo is a North Indian, more specifically a Kashmiri cuisine, and is made by cooking potatoes in curd at low flame. The potatoes, usually smaller ones, are first deep fried, and then cooked slowly at low flame in curd-based gravy with Indian spices. Servings: 4. Preparation time: 45 minutes. Cooking time: 45 minutes. Ingredients: 500 grams small size, plum size, potatoes, 1 large size tomato, finely chopped, 1 large onion, finely chopped, 1 green chili, chopped, 1 small piece ginger, finely chopped, 3 cloves garlic, grated, 1/2 cup finely chopped coriander leaves, 2 cup yogurt, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 5-6 dried Kashmiri red chilies, make paste, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, salt to taste, 250 grams TBSP vegetable oil, sunflower oil. Preparation instructions: wash the potatoes and boil until half cooked. Peel and prick the potatoes all over with the help of a fork. Heat oil in a pan and fry the potatoes on medium flame till golden brown. Drain excess oil and keep aside. Heat oil in a pan and add garam masala, turmeric powder, coriander powder, ginger, garlic, onions, and fry until golden brown. Then add tomatoes, yogurt and red chili paste to it and bring it to boil and cook for 10 minutes. Add the aloo, potatoes, and hot water and stir over a low heat for 5 minutes. Garnish it with chopped coriander leaves and serve hot with Indian bread or rice.